Hello students, I hope that you have watched the first video of second chapter. In the first video, we have seen what points we are going to cover in this chapter. That is chapter number 2, formulas and functions in MS Excel. So, the first point that we are going to see in MS Excel in this second chapter is formula. So, formula, what are formula? The formula data form with the help of operators and numbers called as the formula. Formula which is designed with the help of operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, so these are the operators, and with it there are operands. Operands means the numbers, the values. So when they come together, it forms a formula. So we are going to proceed with our first point of this chapter. That one is formula. In this chapter, we are going to learn that how to enter a formula in Excel spreadsheet. Excel में हम कैसे formula लिखते हैं. Then copying, how to copy a formula, and cell referencing. Okay, so going with the first point of this chapter, that one is entering a formula. But before, so how can we enter a formula? For entering a formula, some symbols are there which are required at the time of entering formula. Like the first symbol is the equal to symbol. Here you can see the first symbol is the equal to symbol. Last year in 6th standard we have seen, while using the mathematical formula in our MS Excel spreadsheet, what we were doing, earlier we were giving equal to sign, and after equal to sign, our we were giving our values. Okay, so when the equal to sign is used in formula in MS Excel spreadsheet, it is used at the beginning of the formula. फॉर्मूला लिखने से पहले इक्वल टू साइन दी जाती है MS Excel के अंदर. ये हमने लास्ट ईयर भी स्टडी किया था. आफ्टर दैट, while using some of the functions, कुछ functions यूज करते वक्त ना हम ये brackets का यूज करते हैं. These brackets in computer language are called as parentheses. So while entering formula, these brackets are also necessary, that we have to use the brackets for entering a formula. Then some operators while entering a formula are required, like addition, for performing the addition of two or more than two numbers. Subtraction sign, for performing the subtraction of two or more than two numbers. The multiplication sign and the division sign, as well as this one is the exponent. Exponent, in the way we can say, we write that 2 raised to 2 means you have to multiply 2 times, or 2 raised to 3 means multiply 2 3 times. So what will be the answer? 6 will be the answer. So what you have to do, exponent means we have to exponent sign in MS Excel or in while entering formula is used in the form of raised to, right? We like 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. What does it mean? It means that we have to multiply that number that many times. Okay, so we will see now. Now we will go in Excel spreadsheet. So here this one is the Excel spreadsheet. In this Excel spreadsheet, I already form a one table. Here in this table there are name of the students with their subject marks. Okay, these are the subjects and here are the marks. So in this table what I want to do now, I want to use my formula. I have to use my formula, like I want to add the marks of Amit. I want the total marks of Amit in all subjects. What are the total marks of Amit after addition of all the subjects? So that I want to see. So we can see it in three ways. How we can see that? Simple, by using the equal to sign and by giving the number. Now we can give the number, like here in this cell, F2 cell. Here you can see that this one is a F2 cell. Last year we learned the horizontal and vertical cells. Okay, so this one is the F cell with number 2. So in F2 cell our result is getting stored. So here you can see that Amit have 34 marks in English subject. So just I have clicked over here. Then Amit have 54 marks in computer, 57 in history, 45 likewise Amit have 34 marks uh, in English subject. That one is in which cell it is. It is in B2 cell. You don't have to enter a cell name. If you click on a cell, you will get the names after giving the equal to sign. After that, what you have to give? You clicked on a cell, just press the shift key and give addition sign. Here after giving the addition sign, click on the another cell. You can see here the computer marks are displayed of Amit. That one is in C2 cell. C2 cell. Same way, again use the plus sign. Using the shift key, give the plus sign and click on 57. Okay, click on 57. That is the 57. The history. In history, he got how many marks? He got 57 marks, and 57 marks are in which cell? They are in D2 cell. Same way, again use shift key and give plus sign and click on E2 cell. This one is E2 cell. Click on the marks of geography. Okay. Now here you have entered all subject marks. सारे subject के marks आपने enter कर दिए. यहाँ पे अभी आपने number डाले क्या? नहीं. आप instead of number what you are used the cell name. किसका नाम use किया? Cell. You remember ना? These things are known as cell, and the first cell in MS Excel is known as the active cell, and these cells are known these boxes are known as a cell in MS Excel that we learned last year. So last year also we have learned that how to enter a formula in MS Excel in 3 ways. From that the first way is by using the cell name. Now I have given all the names of this cell. What you have to do? You have to just press the enter key. क्या करना है इसके बाद? You have to press the enter key and you will get the result. So here you got the result that how much is the total of Amit of all subject? It is 190. It is 190. Same thing you can do. Same thing you can do using this. Now here like I want to using this was using cell reference. Instead of using cell reference, I want to use these numbers. So first of all, here I will give equal to sign. I have given here equal to sign. After equal to sign, what I am giving? Now this I have done using the cell reference, using the cell name. Okay, now here what I am doing? Here I am giving using the here I am doing addition using the equal to sign, and after equal to sign I am giving here number and using my addition sign and pressing and using shift key I am giving the addition sign. And how much marks he got in history? 57. And how much in geography? 45. Okay, now of all the 4 subject marks I have given over here, I have given my equal to sign at the beginning. In MS Excel we don't give equal to sign after the formula, we give equal to sign before writing the formula. Okay, so this also we have seen last year. Just press enter and you got the same result. Okay, so in this way we can enter a formula in MS Excel. Okay, now here I hope that you have understood this point, how to enter a formula in MS Excel. Remaining next 2 points, that is copying a formula and cell referencing, we will study in next lecture. Okay, so do practice them at your home. If you are having a computer, you might be the MS Excel is already there in your computer. So do practice it at home on your computer or a laptop, and if you are having any doubts you can text me. Okay, so if you are having computer, do practice it. If you are not having a computer, what you can do, you can see that video 2-3 times, so you will understand what is there in that, what is how actually we are entering the formula. So thank you.